Imagine generating a month's worth of engaging social media content, researched, written, and scheduled, all while you sleep. By the end of this video, you'll have an exact workflow to automate your social media management using autonomous AI agents, cutting your weekly effort from hours to mere minutes.
Before AI, managing social media meant endless manual tasks, hours spent researching trends, brainstorming ideas, writing posts, creating visuals, and then meticulously scheduling each one across different platforms. This was a massive time sink, especially for solopreneurs or small marketing teams. Now, with AI, that entire process can be streamlined dramatically.
We are going to build a 3-step system. First, an AI agent will research trending topics. Second, it will generate diverse content ideas. And finally, an automation tool will schedule these posts for you. This is a complete before and after transformation, moving from tedious manual labor to efficient, autonomous operation.
Our first step is setting up an AI research agent to find trending topics. For this, we'll use Superpowers. Superpowers is an open-source AI agent framework that lets you build custom agents for specific tasks. It's fantastic for users who want to craft bespoke automation agents, tailoring them precisely to their needs.
Superpowers stands out because it gives you granular control over your agent's behavior. Unlike some pre-built solutions, you define its objectives, its data sources, and how it processes information. It's perfect for deep dives into niche trends that generic tools might miss. Its features include custom agent creation, advanced task automation, and flexible workflow orchestration.
To set up Superpowers for trend research, you'll define a goal like find the top 5 trending topics in AI productivity for the last week on X and YouTube. You then specify the data sources, like particular subreddits, popular YouTube channels, or even specific hashtags on X. The agent then autonomously browses and compiles a report. This takes minutes to set up, compared to hours of manual searching.
Once your research agent compiles its report, the next step is content generation. While Superpowers can help, we need to connect this research to a platform that can then generate and push content.
This is where Zapier comes in. Zapier is an incredibly powerful automation and integration platform that connects thousands of different web applications. It's ideal for connecting various web services and automating routine tasks across platforms without writing a single line of code. Its key features are multi-app integration, trigger-based workflows, and robust no-code automation.
Zapier excels at being the glue between different services. For example, you can set up a zap that triggers when Superpowers finishes its trend report. That report can then be sent to an AI content generation tool, perhaps one you've trained yourself or a general-purpose large language model, to draft social media posts based on the identified trends.
The magic of Zapier is its ability to chain these actions. You can configure it to take the research findings, feed them into a content generator, and then format the output into ready-to-publish social media captions, complete with relevant hashtags and calls to action. This is where the real time-saving happens.
Our final step is automating the scheduling and publishing of these AI-generated posts. For this, we turn to Buffer. Buffer is a widely used social media management tool that helps you manage and schedule content across multiple platforms.
Buffer is best for individuals and small teams who need to efficiently schedule and analyze their social media posts. It offers intuitive content scheduling, comprehensive analytics reports, and seamless multi-platform publishing. It's a clean, straightforward tool that integrates well with automation workflows.
You'll connect Zapier to Buffer. Once the AI has generated content via Zapier, it automatically feeds into Buffer's queue. You can review the posts, make any final tweaks, and then Buffer handles the rest, publishing them at optimal times across X, LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram. This eliminates the need to manually log into each platform.
So, the complete workflow looks like this. Superpowers researches trends, Zapier orchestrates the content generation and passes it to Buffer, and Buffer then schedules and publishes. This setup transforms your social media workflow from a multi-hour weekly chore into a quick review and approval process.
Think about the before and after. Before, you'd spend 5 to 8 hours a week on social media. After, with this AI-powered workflow, you're down to perhaps 30 minutes to an hour for review and minor adjustments. That's an 80 to 90% reduction in time spent, freeing you up for more strategic tasks.
Superpowers is great for detailed, custom research. Zapier is the ultimate connector, linking all your tools. And Buffer provides the reliable, user-friendly interface for scheduling. Together, they create a powerful, autonomous social media system.
The key insight here is that you don't need a single, all-in-one AI tool. By combining specialized AI agents and automation platforms, you can build a tailored workflow that outperforms any single solution. This modular approach gives you flexibility and control.
Automate your entire social media workflow with AI agents, turning hours of manual work into minutes. This is not just about saving time, it's about making your social media presence more consistent, more data-driven, and ultimately, more effective.
Let's dive deeper into setting up Superpowers. First, you'll need to install the Superpowers framework, which is typically done via npm or by cloning their GitHub repository. Once installed, navigate to your project directory. To create your first research agent, you'll define a task file. This file specifies the agent's objective, such as monitor AI productivity trends. Within this task file, you'll list your data sources. For X, you might specify a list of prominent AI influencers or specific hashtags like #AITools or #productivityhacks. For YouTube, you could list channels focused on AI news or tech reviews. You'll also define the output format, perhaps a JSON array of trending topics, their relevant scores, and links to source material. Run the agent from your terminal, and it will autonomously browse these sources, compile the data, and generate a structured report based on your specifications. You can even set it to run on a schedule, say, every Monday morning.
Next, let's walk through connecting your systems with Zapier. Log into your Zapier account and click Create Zap. Your trigger will be Webhooks by Zapier. This allows Superpowers to send its report to Zapier. Select Catch Hook and copy the generated webhook URL. In your Superpowers configuration, you'll set up an action to post the research report to this Zapier URL once it's complete. Back in Zapier, test the trigger by running your Superpowers agent once. Once the data comes through, you'll add an action. This action could be OpenAI, if you're using their API, or another AI content generation tool. You'll map the trending topics from Superpowers report to the prompt for your AI content generator, instructing it to write 5 social media posts about trending topic for X, including relevant hashtags. You can add another action to format this content, ensuring it's ready for publishing.
Finally, let's configure Buffer to receive and schedule these posts. In Zapier, after your AI content generator has created the posts, add another action. Search for Buffer and select Create Update. You'll need to connect your Buffer account. Then, map the AI-generated social media post content from the previous Zapier step to Buffer's text field. You can also specify the social media profile, e.g., your X account, LinkedIn page, where the post should go. If your AI also generates images, you can map those to Buffer's photo field. Buffer allows you to set up a publishing schedule, so when the posts arrive from Zapier, they'll automatically queue up according to your predefined times. You can then log into Buffer, review the queued posts, and manually approve them or let them publish automatically. This completes the loop, taking you from trend research to scheduled publication without manual intervention.
Ready to revolutionize your social media strategy? Try setting up this workflow and see the difference. For more breakdowns of cutting-edge AI tools and productivity hacks, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll be back next week with another deep dive into AI automation.